Good morning friends, I am Koteswara Reddy, an aptitude trainer from BYRT Narsapur. Today we will discuss important topic permutations and combinations. Very important topic in GATE exam, TCS exam, permutations and combinations. Already studied in intermediate, but this different, means in placement of a point of view, I will give some tips to how to solve the questions in permutations and combinations. So permutations and combinations. Permutations means arrangements. Permutations means arrangements indicated by P. Permutations means arrangements indicated by P. Combination means selections indicated by C. Permutations means arrangements indicated by P. Combination means selections indicated by C. In India, maximum students mistake, they will confuse between where you have to use P and where you have to use C. Mean where you have to arrange or where you have to select. I'll give an example. Suppose you have 15 cricket players, but we need how many members per cricket? 11. Now tell me, you have to select 11 out of 15, 15 C11. After selecting these 11 members, you have to arrange in 11 P11 ways, that is nothing but 11 factorial. Okay, so this is selection, this is arrangements. That means you have 15 cricket players, but we need 11 members. Now you have to select 11 out of 15, that is 15 C11. After selecting these 11 members, the captaincy will have to arrange them in 11 P11 ways, that is what 11 factorial. We can verify, for example, three batsmen are there, 1, 2, 3. First one, next second, next third. First one, next third, next two, first two, next three, next one, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because 3 players are there, 3 players can be arranged in 3 factorial ways, that is 6. So, permutations and combinations. Permutation means arrangements indicated by P. Combination means selections indicated by C. Maximum students will get confusion where you have to use P and where you have to use C. Now, suppose you have 15 cricket players are there, we have to select 11, means selection means C. You have to select 11 out of 15, that is 15 C11. After selecting these 11 members, you have to arrange them in 11 P11 ways, that is not 11 factorial. So, 3 batsmen are there, 3 members can be arranged in 6. And remember one point, letters and digits always must be arranged, because if you arrange letters, words can be formed. If arrange digits, numbers can be formed. Remember this point lifelong. Letters and digits always must be arranged. Even though we select, you have to arrange them, because if arrange letters, then only words can be formed. If arrange digits, numbers can be formed. Remember lifelong, letters and digits always must be arranged, even though we select. Now, NPR formula, NPR, n factorial by n minus r factorial. NPR formula, n factorial by n minus r factorial. NCR formula, n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. NPR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. NCR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. NCR can be written as NC n minus r. NCR can be written as NC n minus r. This important formula. NCR can be written as NC n minus r. That means 15 C11 can be written as 15 C 15 minus 11, that is 15 C4. This is important. So 15 C11 can be written as 15 C4. In permutation combinations, calculus should be fast. How will calculate 15 C4 generally? 15 factorial by 15 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial. Don't follow this method. I'll give a logic. To calculate 15 C4, in permutation combinations, calculus should be fast. Here 4 is there. Write down 4 terms. 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 by 4 factorial 24. So 12 ones, 12 twos, 2 sevens. So 91 into 15, 1365. So in permutation combinations and in calculations very important. For example, 7C3 value, 7 into 6 into 5. Why 3? Because a 3 is there. By 3 factorial 6, 6 cancel, answer 35. So for example, 11C2. How will calculate 11C2? 11 into 10 by 2. 2 5s. Answer 55. So remember, in permutation combination, not only permutation combination, entire aptitude you have to calculate fastly, especially in permutation combinations, calculation fast. For example, 5C3. 5C3 can be written as 5C2, 5 into 4 by 2, 10. 11C3. I will calculate 11C3. So 11 into 10 into 9 by 3 factorial 6. 3 2s, 3 3s, 2 5s. Answer 165. So in permutation combinations, calculus should be fast. This is permutation combination introduction. Once again, permutations means arrangements indicated by P. Combination means selections indicated by C. Maximum students will get confusion where you have to use P and where you have to use C. I will give an example, that is, suppose you have 15 cricket players are there, you have to select 11, means you have to select 11 out of 15, that is 15 C11. After selecting these 11 members, you have to arrange them in 11 ways, that is 11 factorial. We can take this example. Suppose you have 3 cricket players, 3 factorial ways, that is 6. And remember one point, letters and digits always must be arranged. Even though we can select, you have to arrange them, because if you arrange letters, words can be formed. If you arrange digits, numbers can be formed. Now, important formulas: NPR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. NCR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. NCR can be written as NC n minus r. For example, 11C8 can be written as 11C3. 11C3 value 165. Simple. For example, 8C5 can be written as 8C3. 8C3 means 8 into 7 into 6 by 3 factorial 6. 6 cancel, 56. So in permutation combinations, calculus should be fast. This form important. NCR can be written as NC n minus r. Here important point, letters and digits must be arranged even though we can select. And one more point, don't apply the formulas and don't confuse between where you have to use P and C. Okay. Now we'll solve some important questions. First one, what is the value of 1000 C 998? What is the value of 1000 C 998? 1000 C 998 can be written as 1000 C2. 1000 C2 means 1000 into 999 by 2. 2 500s. Answer 499,500. So simple calculation. So 1000 C900 can be 1000 C2 according to formula NCR equal to NC n minus r. Now 1000 C2 means 1000 into 999 by 2, 2 500s, 499,500. So this is first important question. 1000 C998. Second one, how many ways the letters of the word orange can be arranged? How many ways the letters of the word orange can be arranged? How many ways the letters of the word orange can be arranged? In orange, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. 6 factorial value 720. That is the answer. So how many ways the letters of the word orange can be arranged? In orange, 6 letters are there. 6 letters can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. 6 factorial means 720. Okay. Next, third one. How many ways the letters of the word tolerate can be arranged? This is important question. How many ways the letters of the word tolerate can be arranged? How many ways the letters of the word tolerate can be arranged? In tolerate, how many letters are there? 8. 8 factorial ways students will write. But the twist is, in previous question in orange, only 6 letters are there, 6 factorial, no repetition of the letters. But here, how many letters are there? 8 letters, 8 factorial. By denominator, you have repetition. How many T's are there? 2, 2 factorial. So how many E's are there? 2, 2 factorial. So 8 factorial can be written as 8 into 7 factorial. 2 factorial into 2, not 4 factorial. Students will think 2 factorial into 4, not 4 factorial. 2 factorial value 2, 2 factorial value 2. 2 ones, 2 fours, 2 ones, 2 twos. 2 into 7 factorial value 5040. Answer 10,080. So answer 10,080. So in previous question, directly 6 letters, 6 factorial ways, but here repetition are there. Remember, repetition you write always in the denominator. So 8 letters can be arranged in 8 factorial. By 2 T's are there, 2 factorial. 2 E's are there, 2 factorial. Answer is 10,080. Now fourth question important, they will have this type of questions in competitive exam. That is, how many ways how many ways the letters of the word software can be arranged? How many ways the letters of the word software can be arranged so that the vowels are always come together? So that the vowels are always come together. This come together concept in exams. How many ways the letters of the word software can be arranged so that the vowels are always come together? How many ways the letters of the word software can be arranged so that the vowels are always come together? Now, I will explain very important. Come together. What are the vowels? O, A, E. First write down O, A, E at one place. O, A, E. And consider single letter. You have any number of letters, you take consider single letter. So first write down vowels at one place, O, A, E. And consider single letter 1. From remaining consonants, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 consonants, vowels 1. Your 100 letters also vowels, you take consider 1 only. So 5 consonants, 1 vowel, total 6 letters, 6 factorial. Now these 3 vowels arranged in 3 factorial. 6 factorial value 720, 3 factorial value 6. Answer 4320. This is important. Once again, how many ways the letters of the word software can be arranged so that the vowels are always come together? Now I will explain. The vowels are always come together. First write the vowels at one place, O, A, E. Any number of vowels you take count single letter only. Remaining consonants different. 5 consonants, 1 vowel, total 6 letters. 6 letters can be arranged in 5 vowels plus 1 consonant, total 6 letters. 6 letters can be arranged in 6 factorial. Now these 3 vowels at one place, again these 3 letters arranged in 3 factorial. 6 factorial is 720, 3 factorial is 6. Answer 4320. So this is permutation combinations. I will explain once again. Permutations means arrangements indicated by P. Combination means selections indicated by C. Maximum students will get confusion where you have to use P and where you have to use C. I will give an example. Suppose you have 15 cricket players, but we need 11 members. Now you have to select 11 out of 15. So 15 C11. After selecting these 11 members, you have to arrange. Means P, 11 ways, that is nothing but 11 factorial. For example, you take 3 members can be 3 factorial, that is 6. Now, important formulas, NPR equal to N factorial by N minus R factorial, NCR equal to N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial, NCR can be written as NC minus R. For example, 15C11 can be written as 15C4. In permutation combinations, calculation should be fast. 15C4 value 1365, 73 values 7 into 6 into 5, answer is 35. 11C2 value 11 into 10 by 2, 55. 5C2 value 10. In this, you have to calculate fast. So the important 4 questions, okay? Thank you.
Vishnu Audio Visual Center, like and share and subscribe and click bell icon.